November 4, Hotel, November Hotel.
November 4, Hotel, November Hotel. You are 58058.
Thank you for the 58, and I have you 5555. Thanks for the activation. 73 from November 4, Hotel, November Hotel. Let me get that for you again. It's November 4, Hotel, November Hotel, N4HNH. The name is Doug, and I'm in Atlanta, Georgia, QSL. Okay, thanks so much. 73, N4HNH. SOTA station. Arizona looks like. Harquahala Mountain. Without digital noise reduction and contour, can barely tell she's there. Digital noise reduction, contour. So you hear now. I'm going to disable those in a minute when she comes back. Contoured about 2200 hertz. Having a female voice, the intelligibility of her voice is going to be a little bit higher than where I would get most male voices, which are going to be in the 1700 to 2000 hertz range. I'm doing pretty well with her at 2200 to 2400 hertz. And what I'm doing is, it doesn't mean that's where her voice is. I'm knocking the noise floor down. That's what the contour is doing. In case you haven't watched that in the previous videos, let me show you. You can see on the dial here the contour. I'm going to zoom in. See, it's a range in the audio spectrum. It's a range of frequencies that it's going to cut, and it's going to show you where the center point is. So what I'm doing is I'm sneaking that up and knocking the noise floor down right below where her voice is. Or you could go above, just depending on the noise. But you can see right there where you got a station. I mean, she's over 2,000 miles away. Probably not running a lot of power because she's on a mountaintop. And so, the idea is to knock the noise floor down around her voice, around where her speech intelligibility is best. And then it helps you pull her out. So again, there's no help. Looks like I've got a little bit of power line noise sneaking back in here too. Up here you see my finger in the top right, that's my noise blanker. Not a lot of power line noise. Just a bit. About 1 S unit worth, really. But hey, every little bit helps when you're dealing with a signal that's this low in the noise floor. I mean, look at the difference that's making. Wow. So, thought I'd let you get a little idea of that. I don't get a lot of opportunity to do that with sideband. Most of the SOTA stations, I'd say 70% plus or minus, operate CW. But that, she's out in Arizona and doing some sideband, and you know, gave me an opportunity to show you some action here with the Contour and DNR. Okay, I hope you found the video helpful and informative. Yes, okay, I should point out, just because I'm doing this on an FTDX 5000 doesn't mean you can't do it on your radio. Look for features like digital noise reduction and Contour. I believe Yaesu and maybe Elecraft might be two of the... there are very few manufacturers that actually have that Contour feature on their radio. I'll tell you what you can do with a 7300. It doesn't have Contour, but what you can do is you can put your manual notch filter on wide, and it's a similar thing. You know, you can sweep it through the. It doesn't give you an indication on the what frequency it's at, but just sweep it up and down until you can hear the station that's buried in the noise. Again, that's on an IC 7300 from ICOM. Just use the manual notch filter set to wide, and you can use that to knock down some of the noise floor. But with Yaesu, they have a separate function, and it's called Contour, and it's tailored for just that role. But I'm just saying, you know, with other brand radios that don't have a Contour, you can sort of fake it by using a wide band manual notch. Use your manual notch. Okay, hope you found this video helpful and informative. And thank you, Patreons, for helping me keep this channel going. And I'm going to say 73 from N4H&H.